First, let's work on the pronunciation. The letter L sounds like in the words like and lady. The OU has an ow sound, like in the words how or loud. And the letters NGE are like at the end of arrange or orange. Say the word after me. Lounge. A lounge is a waiting room for passing time. Here are some common examples. Schools often have a teacher's lounge where the teachers can spend time, socialize, and prepare their lessons. Some airports have a VIP lounge, a special area for passengers with extra special status. And sometimes you'll see places that have a bar and lounge, meaning an area where you can drink and a comfortable area for relaxing and passing time. Lounge can also be a verb, meaning to move, act, or spend time in a lazy way. For example, my kids are lounging on the couch watching TV. We usually spend the weekend just lounging around, meaning to pass time in a lazy way, being relaxed and not being especially productive.